If your Hyundai Sonata headlight is out, you could get pulled over tonight. Here's how to fix it in under 3 minutes for under $20. So first of all, as already done, open the hood. The headlight assembly is right there at the front of the engine bay. You don't need to remove anything to get to it. Secondly, you twist the dust cover counterclockwise and pull it straight off. This is the cover that most people don't even know exists. Don't skip it or you can't even reach the bulb. And then step 3, to disconnect the wiring harness, squeeze the tab on the wiring connector and pull it straight out. Don't yank it sideways, it comes straight off. And for the 4th step, now you gotta unclip the retaining wire, push it to the side, and the bulb slides right out. Sometimes you have to be patient with it, as it can take a minute sometimes to reach it. It's not the easiest thing to do, especially if you have big hands. Here you go, and here's the old light bulb. Here's the exact model. This is the original one. You could buy this one is good. Now make sure to not touch the light bulb at all. The bulb, don't touch it, as it will definitely impact the light and damage it. So now for the entry again, you have to put it in the specific way as shown in the video. And make sure that you do the same steps as the entry, just to put it right back in. To confirm the reinsertion of the light bulb, you should hear a click when it enters. Same thing with the wire once you do that too. And there you go, the repair is complete now. Now let's test it out by trying to turn on the headlight to test it. Done, it works. You just saved yourself to $80 to $100 at a mechanic. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more money saving repair. Goodbye.